Good morning. We have reached Friday at the end of our first week back at school. And I return to a theme that I mentioned on Wednesday. I talked to you on Wednesday about a sense of community and a sense of unity, and explained that under the current situation, these words are being redefined, and that community and unity can indeed exist at distance. And as I sit here this morning, I'm acutely aware of the fact that we are entering the period of Ramadan. And Ramadan is a period in Islam when we reflect, we strive for self-improvement. But it is also a moment when Muslims will spend time with family and with friends, particularly at those moments of breaking the fast at the end of each day. And I'd like to recount, as we enter the period of Ramadan, a story, yes, cricket related, and yes, again, from my own experience. And when playing cricket for Harborne, on the circuit, we played a team called Attock. And Attock is a team, a fantastic cricket team, fantastic bunch of guys who I've got to know very well over the years. And it is a team largely made up of Muslims. And to the ignorant, our visits to Attock accentuated differences in people, differences in communities. And the story I want to tell you is one that took place during Ramadan. And we had played Attock. They were always fantastic games, played in fantastic spirit. I can't even remember whether we won, lost or drew, and that doesn't matter. And at the end of the game, a lot of our lads had changed, gone home, and there were just a few senior players left, sitting in the changing rooms reflecting on the game. And there was a knock at the door. And it was the Attock captain. And he came in and he said, "Alistair," he said, "we're about to break the fast. Would you like to join us?" And I said, "Of course, we would love to if that's okay." To which the response was, "Of course it's okay. Come and join us." And we went into the kitchen at Attock Cricket Club, probably 3, 4 or 5 of us, and we broke the fast with the players from Attock. And it was an important lesson because there were no differences. We were a group of people getting together at the end of a game of cricket, and we were enjoying each other's company, and we were demonstrating community and unity at a level I hadn't previously anticipated. And again, coming back to the period in which we are now operating, I'm acutely aware that part of the observance of Ramadan is about that sense of unity and community that goes along with it when breaking the fast. So it is another example of how life has changed, is changing during these uncertain times. But as I've said many times, things will return to normal. I wish all of the school community, as we head into the weekend, very best wishes. And do please stay safe, take care of yourselves and each other.